Good morning, folks. Wacky weatherman. Here we are today. It's right now I'm looking outside and it's pretty sunny outside, so we'll take a look at that in the next video. But let's take a look at this weather, this precipitation that's going to be heading our way tonight and tomorrow. So let's check out the radar. Let's see here. Got something up here. Let's see what it is.
Good Tuesday morning, Chief Meteorologist Trent Okerson with Look at Your Forecast, and we're still tracking a winter storm tonight over parts of Missouri and Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Boot Heel, Missouri areas in the green here. Obviously, looking at just rain. Heaviest snow from Mount Vernon up toward Pinckneyville, Perryville, Fredericktown, 3 to 6 inches of snow here. There will be a sharp gradient in the snowfall somewhere in this blue where we could see 1 to 3 inches of snow, but a very quick downward trend once we get toward that Ohio River area. And this is going to be mainly an overnight event for us here. Winter storm warnings posted all the way from Oklahoma up into our area. And the winter storm warning from Poplar Bluff to Cape, Carbondale, and Mount Vernon, where we expect the heaviest of the snow. All this, again, moves in this evening with rain between 6 and 9 o'clock, and that heavy snow will be between about 3 and 8 o'clock tomorrow morning in Illinois and Missouri.
All right.
Hey, friends, good Tuesday to you. Chief Meteorologist Trent Okerson with Look at Your Forecast, and we've got some messy weather tonight. In southeast Missouri and southern Illinois, it's going to be wintry weather for those of us here in the green, West Kentucky, Northwest Tennessee, the Boot Heel of Missouri. That green is where we're going to mainly stay with rain. We could have some heavy snow in the far northwestern counties of our area, Fredericktown, Marble Hill up toward Perryville, Carbondale and Murfreesboro, Pinckneyville, Mount Vernon, possibly 3 to 6 inches of snow. The heaviest totals are going to be farther north and west. There's going to be a sharp cutoff somewhere here where we go from a lot of snow to very little snow. The blue is going to be probably where we have that cutoff somewhere in this neighborhood. So places like Harrisburg and Marion, Vienna, Anna, Cape, down toward Dexter and Poplar Bluff. Maybe an inch on the low end of the scale, possibly closer to 3 inches on the upper end of the scale. Really just depends on where that cutoff line ends up setting up through tonight.
So we may be looking at
storm warnings posted all the way from Oklahoma City up into Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and even up into western Ohio. For our area, that winter storm warning includes Poplar Bluff, Marble Hill, Cape County, Carbondale, West Frankfort, up toward McLeansboro and Mount Vernon. Again, that area on the low end, maybe 2 inches up to 6 inches or more, with very difficult travel. Could even be some isolated scattered power outages because we're going to have real heavy wet snowflakes and gusty winds kicking in. But that's going to be a bigger problem farther west.
Anyway, folks, we're just checking
where
it
we
out
have those heavier snow totals. Then the transition zone, winter weather advisory, Harrisburg, Vienna, Anna, Caro, Sykeston, and Dexter. This is where we can get up to 2 inches of snow. Through the day, increasing clouds. Actually going to be pretty mild this afternoon. Upper 40s around the area today. And then showers will move in by this evening, 6 to 9 o'clock. The rain fills in. There will be a period of the changeover to snow, 10 o'clock or so, out in southeast Missouri. The bulk of the rain in West Kentucky, Northwest Tennessee is going to be late this evening and just past midnight. That rain kind of tapering off toward 3 o'clock in the morning. This is 5 a.m. with that heavy burst of snow across those areas of Missouri and Illinois that are set to pick up that accumulating snowfall. 7 o'clock, the snow tapering off in Missouri, still snowing in Illinois, and then toward 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, all this precipitation moves out of the area back to dry conditions tomorrow afternoon with highs in the lower 40s tomorrow. It's going to get windy as this system comes through as well. After midnight, wind gusts 30, 35 miles per hour and continuing to get rather gusty 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts through the day on our Wednesday.
We're just checking it out.
So today will be dry during the daytime hours, 49 is your high, rain this evening, rain and snow across the area tomorrow, 41 and drying out for the afternoon. Kind of just a cloudy and cold day, 35 on Thursday, 48 warming up on Friday with a return to some sunshine. It'll be breezy south winds, could gust up to about 30 miles per hour. 55 on Saturday, warm start to the weekend. Sunday, though, looking showery. We'll have rain moving in Saturday night, continuing into Sunday, and then turning colder for early next week, 38 on Monday. Appreciate you checking in with us, and we hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday.
All right, tomorrow's going to be an interesting day of weather. There'll be some sun in the morning. Clouds increase through the midday hours. Here's 12 p.m. Temperatures will rise into the upper 40s. If you weren't otherwise following the weather, you probably would never realize there's snow coming.
All right, y'all. So that's about all that is. So let's check out the AccuWeather and see what it's like. Okay. But anyway, I guess we'll end it. So I guess we'll go ahead and say arrivederci, and I'll see y'all here for another video, Wacky Weatherman video here. We'll go outside and we'll take a look at everything, and then we'll be able to see what we'll be able to see. All right, y'all. So Wacky Weatherman, January 24th, 2023. Ooh, yes, sir. All right, y'all. Y'all just be groovy, and we'll turn it back on here, and I'll see you in the next video today. So here in a little bit. So all right, y'all be groovy, and there's your wacky weather wake up. Your wacky weather wake up. Wacky Weatherman wake up. Something like that. Wacky. So anyway, y'all be groovy. Your old buddy Gerald, January 24th, 23, and I'll see y'all out in the next video.